Hey everybody, this is Reggie again with A-Team Appliance, and this is a HOTPOINT slash GE washer that will not spin. So I'm diagnosing it, and if you're new to the channel, I pretty much document. I'm a washer dryer repair guy, and I sell machines, and I pretty much document almost every repair I can. On YouTube channel, hopefully help people out, help other guys in the business, help customers out, because I pretty much see every single symptom there is. So this one is a HOTPOINT washer. It'll fill with water, but it won't spin or agitate or anything. So usually, like on GE, sometimes the timers are bad, But this one, I took the cabinet off. I took it off already, but located right over here is this thing, which is called a capacitor. And you know it's bad because look at that stuff sticking out of it. It just blew out. So it reminds me of those little snakes we used to have when we was a kid. You light them up and it firecrackers we had. So anyway, the capacitor is bad. So I'm gonna replace it. Look at that. The thing just completely blown out. So if you have a GE or HOTPOINT washer and will not go into spin cycle, inspect your capacitor. Now this isn't an issue for all GE washers, but this is one of the symptoms. So something you can easily spot if it's blown out like that. See, it's all rounded and all that. It's supposed to be a nice little cylinder. So anyway, any questions and comments, feel free to put them below. Again, this is Reggie with A-Team Appliance, and if you want to hear more helpful tips as I go along fixing machines every day, feel free to like and subscribe so you can get alerts when I have a new video. Thanks, guys.